Hey guys! Guess what today is not?
What?
It's not Father's Day.
No.
So we're just going to do some errands and get some stuff done around the house. So come join us.
Won't you? All the way. Oh, I found it.
Honey?
Hey!
Aren't you the one that hates Christmas carols?
Yes.
You do realize it's only July?
It's
No,
June.
it's not even July. That's what I meant to say. Not only is it not Father's Day, it's not July. It's June. Why are we singing Christmas carols? I can see if it's July and you do like Christmas in July.
Because I have a broken radio and the Christmas carols is what pops in my head since I have to drive in silence every day.
Boo. Should really talk to someone about getting the radio fixed.
Hey babe.
Isn't this pretty? It's pretty. Yeah, you should really talk to someone about getting your radio fixed.
You're the one who broke it.
Oh. Boo. How did we get to Barbie song? You're all over the map. We were at Sears, which is going out of business, on a windy, overcast, generally poopy day.
Yes.
But we need things, and we're hoping we can get them cheap here.
Maybe.
Hopefully, unless they're all sold out. Who knows? It doesn't say how much things are low. It usually says like 60% off. So either stuff is still super expensive or it's super gone. Okay, we came here for air compressors. This is one we have that doesn't work anymore. I'm actually considering this one. It's 30% off, $170. It's bigger. I think it would work better. What do you think? You have no clue, do you?
No, I don't.
I don't know. I'll have to think about it for a minute. See if we get it or not. Let's see what else there is that we might be able to buy.
Sure, why not?
Because we have money to throw around.
No, we don't.
Oh. Okay, here's my problem with Sears to begin with. I feel that even on sale, I could buy stuff at Home Depot as cheap as the Craftsman stuff. And we've had very bad luck with Craftsman stuff.
But you're paying for Craftsman's name.
Yes. Which I don't think I want to do because I've had problems with the tractor. I've had problems with our air compressor. The tools aren't made as good as they used to be.
Yeah, our air compressor, we didn't use it that much and it doesn't work.
No.
I just don't understand.
So I'm kind of veering away from Craftsman, and there's a sale on a air compressor slightly smaller, but it comes with more accessories at Home Depot.
Right.
Plus we gotta go to Home Depot anyway, so let's go check that one out. Honey,
Yeah,
are you jousting?
I am.
We have our T-mold for the transition, the correct stuff, but we are going to use the other stuff. And who's making all the noise down there? Ooh,
Somebody.
while we're here, let's go look at the air compressors.
Okay.
So we're back at home shortly. Not shortly, but for a minute to feed the animals and bring the stuff in. We bought the quarter round to go around the floor. We bought the T-mold to go over here on the transition. I did put a lot more in, although I didn't bore you by showing you that I put it in. So now I only got this little bit left. This will take no time to do. And then the quarter round will take no time to do. Honey, I see the light.
At the end of the tunnel.
Yes, it's getting there. We'll be cleaning furniture and putting it back soon because all this needs super cleaned. Look at all that dust.
Yeah.
Disgusting. So cleaning and furnishing will go in this week. We'll be done with this, hopefully early this week. That would be nice.
It would be.
You hungry?
I'm cold.
You hungry? Yeah, it's raining now, or sprinkling. Misting?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's cold. We have a gift card for Cracker Barrel we need to use up, so why not?
And I'm super excited about the new campfire thing.
She does love the campfire things. Hey honey, it's loud in here. Still not as loud as last night.
You're welcome. Hello.
Babe, let's go camping.
Okay.
I know you love these things, but I'm a traditionalist. And I'm gonna get my chicken, but I bet you she will probably get maybe this one. That's my bet.
You're right.
Yep. Hey, honey. I bet you I'm a genius.
Maybe you are.
Watch. Told you. Genius.
Great job, babe. I cannot do that.
Just have to know the pattern.
I do not know it.
I'll do even one better. I'll start with this spot being empty, and I'll end in this spot. Ready? Super genius.
That was really good.
Yay. Honey, you tricked me.
Uh-huh.
You didn't get the campfire pot roast.
I tricked myself.
You got the campfire breakfast thing,
Yeah.
which still looks really good.
It does.
But normally you like the corn and the carrots and everything, so I'm shocked you didn't get the...
I am too. I don't know why, but this really spoke to me, so I had to get
It
it.
does look good. And this actually looks good today too. Last time it didn't go so well.
Yeah.
This looks really good. So bon appetit. So how is it?
Oh my gosh. It's so good.
Super good? I tried a little bit of a couple things. I'll admit, I probably should have got that.
I don't know, because your chicken...
But this, usually chickens hit or miss. Today's a hit. That, I mean, look at that. Juicy, thick, potatoes were good. It was a good day for the chicken.
Yeah.
We're definitely gonna have to come back because I want to try that. And I know you still want your pot roast. So you know what a campfire meal needs?
A campfire dessert.
S'mores. Look at this. Is that not like the best looking thing ever?
Oh my god, I can't wait.
Graham cracker crust, brownie, melted marshmallow, chocolate, ice cream. Oh my gosh. I'm in heaven.
Yeah, I'm about to eat this, so...
Yeah, did you get a picture of it?
No.
This deserves a picture on Instagram because we don't post anything to Instagram anymore. And we need to start. Picture time. Wow, was dessert good?
It was very good.
Very good. And that completed the campfire experience
It did.
for you. I wish I would have got that, what you got.
Really?
The breakfast biscuit. Yeah, although my chicken was awesome.
I thought
Fine.
your chicken was really good this time.
Yes. Okay, it's time to shop. Honey,
But
be a pineapple.
smell the pineapple.
No, you're supposed to stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside.
Oh.
You're already a pineapple.
Aw, you're so sweet.
Aww. A lot of pineapple stuff here. I didn't know.
Pineapple's a big thing this year, I guess.
Apparently, I did not know. I did not get that memo.
I just know from one of the girls from work.
Oh, she found the purses.
I kind of like this. What do you think of this?
It's okay. I don't know. I'm very particular on purses for someone that doesn't use purses.
You are kind of particular,
I
aren't
just think that one's okay. It's kind of cowboy, especially with the cowboy boots. Flamingo. Oh, it reminds me of Vegas.
Oh, it does, doesn't
I
it?
want to go back. Or, I mean, you got the, is that an alligator or a crocodile? That's a plush. You're supposed to be able to tell by the nose.
I don't know. What is it?
We'll pretend it's an alligator. It reminds me of Florida. We should go there too.
For alligators has a hole.
Oh no. Oh no. It's a sea lion.
It's so cute.
What do you got there?
A mermaid's tail blankie.
A what?
Isn't it adorable?
Oh, a mermaid tail. I get it.
Yeah.
That is cute. Mermaid stuff must be in this year too.
I always love mermaids.
Reminds me of SeaWorld. Why is everything reminding me of somewhere we've been?
I don't know.
Makes me want a vacation.
You want to always go back.
Yes. But all she wants is beach, beach, beach.
Oh, thank you.
No? No, maybe not. Who knows? Well, guys, this is it. Calling it a night. We did some shopping and had our little campfire at Cracker Barrel.
Yeah.
Which was super good.
It was good.
Even though I didn't get an official campfire dinner.
I got a campfire breakfast.
I got a campfire dessert.
You did.
It was great. We definitely gotta go back.
Yeah.
Yes. Anyways, we're off to bed. Tomorrow is a work week. Oh. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. I don't know why I said that. Tomorrow's a work day. We have to work tomorrow. And we have to get some sleep.
Yes.
So we're gonna relax and call it a night. Talk to you tomorrow.
Good night, guys.
Bye.
Bye.